Welcome back to this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with creating your first going live. So let's break down everything you need to know to start live streaming on the YouTube in 2025. So even you are a complete beginner, we covered the gear, the software, the settings, and all the tips and tricks to make your first live as, of course, a success. So you might be seeing here our dashboard when we currently have this channel that we are managing. We are using specifically this channel because this channel is monetized and we don't have any appeals, any errors here. So from the past months, we have created a few lives here with this channel and everything seems to work so fine. So this is actually the first step, which is checking out the eligibility and the setup. So make sure the channel is eligible for live streaming. You need to verify your account has no live streaming restrictions in the past 90 days. So to go live, first of all, what we need to do is to sign in directly into your channel. And here, focus into the option that says create. And instead of choosing upload videos, go for the option that says go live. This will be sending you directly into the new studio section where you have no restrictions here and no verification processes here to do. That means that we are now able to focus into the next element, which is go live. So you'll be presented with options for streaming a webcam unmanaged. So let's focus into the option that says stream. I'm going to click here into stream, and this is, for example, all the options that you have chose the last time you enter here. Let's understand a little bit more about how this actually works. Into the right section, we have the top chat. So when you go live, you can add an actual goal. For example, 10 super chats, 1 super chat, 5 super chats. Choose the actual price of it, set a time up, share how you'll be celebrating, start a goal, and a top chat with goals. So this is going to be really fun to do so. Into the left section, you have the title, the category, the privacy, monetization options, viewer rating, likes, chat revenue, and all of this information. Down here, we have all of this information for the stream settings. This is going to be really important because the second step is the streaming software. The streaming software acts as a bridge between your camera, microphone, and the actual YouTube. So let's say that you have now the YouTube studio ready, but you wanted to change or to add your camera and your computer and all your gear, you want to add into an actual streaming software. So if I open any tab, I can use, for example, OBS Studio. OBS Studio is an open source which is totally for free that can help you to record and do some live streaming. We're currently using the OBS to record this actual tutorial, but the OBS is going to be helping us, of course, to do this camera transmissions. Basically, what you can do directly here into OBS, you can control the audio. Here is in my case, this is my voice. We can add the mixed audio here. You can go for plus, and I can add more elements. For example, a computer, I can add a video capture, I can add a video game, I can add so much more elements here. So basically, this is how we can actually get started by importing all our information, all our video or our captures, all the audio, everything should be imported in here. Now to send this directly into YouTube, you have a section here. Let's go for this one, for example. I'm going to go back into my live streaming, and we have the stream key. The stream key is, for example, where we can actually locate it. My stream key, we have the stream key code here. We have the URL and the backup server URL. This is, for example, the digital bridge of all the information that we currently have from OBS in my case. And we're going to be sending all of this information directly here into my YouTube studio. When I can see now that everything looks correctly, I can focus into the option that says go live and stream setup. So you'll need to add a video audio sources in OBS. In the sources panel, for example, I can go for the option that says plus, and here choose which is the actual source would you like to add. In my case, I would like to add a capture of an audio, which in my case is my microphone, and the other one should be capture of my own screen, which is actually what you're actually seeing in here. And now that I have my gear already been added, what I need to do is to adjust my settings like the resolution, the volume, and then allowing to create scenes, which is different layouts you can switch between during your stream. So once everything is set up into your stream software, you can go back into the YouTube studio And here into the YouTube studio, you just go adding a title. You can change the category, change the privacy, the monetization toast, and start streaming into OBS. And of course, choose the option that says go live. So you are now live. Now, a few tips for a successful live stream is that you do a test stream before you actually live stream to ensure everything is working correctly. For that, go for edit. And here, choose this option that says possibility and change this from private. So nobody sees it, only yourself. Go for save. Then you can of course make sure that we can engage with your audience. After you have verified that everything worked correctly, you want to respond to the comments and questions in real time. Now you can let your audience know when you're going live if you promote your stream. Have a plan, make yourself have a good audio, good lighting, and stable internet. So that's it. You're now ready to start live streaming into YouTube in the 2025. We have generated an actual new video, and we'll be generating a constant new tutorial for people who wanted to go live for a specific categories. So you can let us know into the comments what is the actual category which would you like to use to go live. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Express for more in-depth YouTube tips and tech insights. Leave your questions in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching and go live.